In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed discount coupons fast and easy. If you've ever wanted to offer your customers a straightforward discount on their purchases, then you've come to the right place. We'll take you through each step to make this process as smooth and efficient as possible. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is access your WordPress dashboard. Think of this as the nerve center for managing every aspect of your website. It's the place where you'll find all the tools you need for updates, changes, and enhancements. So getting comfortable here is key to effortless site management. Now, once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the sidebar. You'll spot an option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the section where you can govern all your marketing strategies, one of which, of course, is coupon creation. After clicking on Marketing, you'll notice the Coupons option. Upon clicking this, it ushers you into the realm of current coupons, while also presenting options for adding new ones. In today's tutorial, since we're set on adding a fresh, fixed discount coupon, your next logical step is to find and click the button that reads Add New Coupon. This is going to take you to a dedicated page where the creation magic truly begins. Right at the top of this new page, you'll encounter the field for the coupon code. This is a pivotal part because it's what your customers will enter during checkout to enjoy the discount. Aim to make it unique, simple, and easy to communicate. You could even get creative by combining your store's initials with the discount value, or maybe tie it into a seasonal theme for added flair. Following that is the description field. While this might seem optional, trust me, it can be immensely helpful for maintaining order. You can use this space to jot down a summary of the coupon's details, or specify the campaign it belongs to. This way, when it's time to review or manage different promotions, you'll have clarity on what each coupon was crafted for. Now let's move over to the General tab. Clicking here will unlock vital settings that need your attention. One important setting is the discount type. Click the drop-down menu and select Fixed Cart Discount from the available list. By doing so, you're ensuring that the discount remains a fixed amount off the entire purchase, which aligns perfectly with our goal in this tutorial. Next, it's time to input the coupon amount. This figure is the actual discount value that your customers will receive. Whether it's $10 or $20 off, make sure to input a number that fits seamlessly with your promotional strategy. Once all these details are in place and squared away, the final and most crucial step is tapping Publish. With this action, your coupon code becomes live, ready, and waiting for customers to use. And there you have it. Your fixed discount coupon is now configured and geared to enhance your customers' shopping experience. It's as fast and easy as that. Thank you for following along, and happy discounting.